Hey my lovelies, guess what I brought you today? It's a screen recording software where you can use anytime without paying any money, and it has all the features you want. Go to videosoftdev.com and hit the download button here. It will automatically download to your PC. Watch the video for a full introduction for about the software. And the contents they have here. They have all the features as of a premium software where we have to pay a lot of money. You can slowly review them. The best part of using this is you get no watermarks in your videos, not like in other screen recording softwares. This has more than 100,000 followers worldwide. Here is the version and size of the software. If you have any quiz, just go through the FAQs. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in another video like this.